Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. One of the most important human rights cases in Pakistan is known as the missing persons case, decided by the Supreme Court under Chief Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry full stop. The case began when families of hundreds of citizens approached the court, claiming that their relatives had been picked up by law enforcement and intelligence agencies without trial or charges full stop. These citizens, often called missing persons, included students, political workers, journalists, and even ordinary villagers suspected of militancy full stop. The petitions argue that such detentions violated the Constitution of Pakistan, especially Article 9, which protects the right to life and liberty, and Article 10, which guarantees safeguards against arbitrary arrest and detention full stop. The Supreme Court took notice and launched hearings that continued for several years, summoning senior officials of the police, intelligence agencies, and the federal government full stop. In its judgment, the court declared that enforced disappearances were unconstitutional, illegal, and a violation of fundamental rights full stop. It held that no institution, including intelligence agencies, has the authority to detain people without producing them before a court of law full stop. The court emphasized that every citizen, no matter the accusation, must be dealt with under due process of law full stop. If someone is accused of terrorism or crimes against the state, the government must register a case, produce evidence, and hold a fair trial instead of secretly detaining or torturing the purpose full stop. The Supreme Court also directed the government to establish a commission of inquiry to trace missing persons, recover them, and provide justice to their families full stop. It ordered that lists of detainees be made public, and those held without trial must either be released or brought before a court full stop. The judgment was historic because it directly confronted the role of powerful intelligence agencies and defended the rule of law full stop. The case also showed the independence of the judiciary in protecting citizens' rights against unlawful state actions. Full stop. Although the issue of missing persons still continues in Pakistan, this judgment gave hope to victims' families and set a strong legal precedent that no authority is above the constitution. Full stop.